Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I want to share how I make eba with microwave. I already have my boiled water inside this bowl. I'll be adding the garri. This is Garri Swallow. In another word, in my language, it is called eba or eba. So right now I want to put it inside microwave like this, and I will leave it like for 5 minutes so that it will cook very well. It will done. So this is my microwave. Put it inside the microwave. Want to close it. This is okay, 7 minutes. Let's leave it for 7 minutes. So this is the garri, guys. This is the eba. I always like using the microwave to cook it for some minutes, like 3 minutes to 5 minutes. If you use microwave to cook it a little bit, you will see the starch will just be drawing like pounded yam or like starch. So guys, this is my own method of making eba. I also use the normal one, the boiled water and turn garri inside, but I prefer this microwave method. You can also try this at home so you will see the difference. Thank you guys for watching this video. I will surely see you in my next one. To all my returning subscribers, thanks so much. My new subscriber, thank you. You are most welcome. And if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I have uploaded a new video. You will be the first to be notified. Thank you all for watching this video. See you in my next one. Bye bye.